Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Overflow. In this video, we'll try to understand the concept of compressing image. So we'll try to code something and we're using Python obviously, and we'll try to compress an image, an original image, and we'll compress it to some smaller size, okay? As you all know, approximately 65% of today's online content is made of images, which decreasing the time your users have to wait to view content is an essential part of your website or application, right? So you need to decrease your size of the image, or you need to do something with your images so that your website or your application can load on a faster basis. So that's you need to improve that user time, okay, so that user uses your app more often. So here we will try to code something in Python, and we will make our image, or we'll just try make an image compressor, more clear terms. Okay, so here we will use Pillow. So if you don't know what Pillow is, you can just go over to Google and search for Pillow. So also you can install it with pip install Pillow. It's an awesome image manipulation library of Python. So we'll start with, so we'll say from, okay, yeah, from pill, we'll say import image. Okay, we got our image. Wait. Yeah, from pill import image, and then that's all the libraries that we need, okay, for compression, for creating this compression. First of all, let's see our image a bit. So here, within the same folder where this Python file is present, there is another, there is the image of me, the usual image that you see on the thumbnail of the picture. So this image is actually 1080 cross 1080, and this is a JPEG format, and this is the size is 61.32 kilobytes. Okay, now we need to this is our large image, so we need to compress this. All right, so let's move back to our editor and see how you can do that. So we'll say, we'll just name a variable, say we'll just name it image, and we will say we will just open our image here. Just we'll just link the which image we are trying to work with. Okay, image dot open, and we'll open which image. Images, it was, yeah, this one. Done. So we just got our image. Now next thing we need to do, we need to downsize our image. It was 61 kilobytes, so we will downsize our image. So first step to downsize it is using the anti-alias filter, and this gives you the highest quality, right? Using that anti-alias filter. So first we will just use that. Again, we'll just reuse our variable, and we'll say image is image dot resize. So we'll say image dot resize, and our image was, just have a look, our image was 1080 cross 1080. Okay, so let's resize to some other value. Say we just resize it to 160 cross 300, 160 comma 300, and this was our image. And then we'll just do it with image um, dot anti alias. Yeah, so that library, that function would help us in this. So this would give us the highest quality image. Okay, after you just resized it, let's save the image and see how this went. Okay, so to do that, we'll say image dot save, and in that we'll just give a new name, say comp dot, sorry, jpg. So this is a new name, and we'll say the quality will be 95%. Okay, so we'll say quality is 95%. If you just give this too much low, or if you just give this quality too, like less than 80%, less than 70%, then this would hamper a lot. Like on a single step, you just reduce to that high limits. It's better to just not to reduce the quality less than 93%. Okay, so 95% is a good one, you can go with it. If you don't, like, avoid reducing it to a maximum level at a single step. Okay, so we just saved it. Okay, let's see how this works. And if we just run our code, this wouldn't give you anything. This will just save a file there. Yeah, this is done. So we don't have anything as an output. Let's see if we just got our here is the comp.jpg. Look, this is the image we got, And if you just this look here, this is 160 cross 300, and this image is 160 cross 300, and this got reduced to 15.65. What was our initial one? Our initial one was 61.32 kilobytes, and this compressed one got to 15.65. Let's just rotate this. I think we should do it as 300 cross 160. In that case, run this again. So before running it, it's better to just close the file. We'll just open it again. This will do. Yeah, the compilation is done. We'll just open this image again, and let's open the original image again. The original image is here. So look, this is the original image. This was 61.332 kilobytes, and this one got reduced to 16.26 kilobytes, right? So this is the reduction. Look, the compression happened, but at this level, you cannot understand anything. You just reduced its size. On the next step, we will do something more to it. Okay. Uh, since this picture initially was a square image, so let's keep this as a square image, since you can see that the original picture was 1080 cross 1080, and this got 300 cross 160. So let's may build it something like 300 cross 300, 71s. Just a second. Yeah, done. Now let's view this. This would be a better one. Yeah. Now look, this 300 cross 300, this was 26.78, right? Look, you can still zoom it to quite a lot, but yeah, the picture quality matters. All right. So it's 26.78. Original was 61.32. So in 61.32, you can zoom it to a large extent, but in the compressed one, you cannot zoom it to a large extent. All right. Next, what else we can do here? So now we reduce to some extent. Now we can actually make it a bit optimized image. Okay, so we'll just make another image that will be a bit optimized. All right, so we'll just say image dot save, and we will say comp1 dot jpg, added to that we'll say this would be optimized. So optimize will be true, and added to that, we'll again say the quality will be 95. Will be 95. All right. Now let's run this. Okay. So this got saved. Now let's open our comp one. Here is our comp one. Now look, this is 25.67. So when you optimize it a bit, so this gets reduced. Now look, when you just optimize the image, you can actually zoom in a bit further. In our comp, if you just look, so here you can see a picture is getting blurred to when zoomed to a large extent. But here, yes, it's getting blurred, but a bit more optimized, and also on a lower size. The file size is actually lower than this, right? So now look, we just did our, I'll just reload this images once more so that it becomes easier to understand. And let's say comp1 and the original one. Here's the original one. Okay, so original one was 1080 cross 1080 JPEG file, which was 61 kilobytes, 61.32 kilobyte. So comp became our 300 cross 300 JPEG file with 26.78, but this wasn't an optimized one. Moving on, 300 cross 300, 25.67 kilobytes, right? Then it became a bit optimized. Look, that's the thing. Look at the difference, right? If you just look here minutely, you may notice the difference optimization. Yeah, so that's all for today's video. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope I could make you understand how this image compressing is done using Python, how you can do it using Python. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Thank you.